Hello and what's up YouTube? My name is HinKeL and I welcome you to another episode of HinKeL's PC Wednesday. Today's video is going to be about Spooky's House of Jumpscares. It's an indie game developed by Lag Studios and you can download it for free on Steam. The game itself is pretty simple. The description says, can you survive 1,000 rooms of terror? And it is, in fact, just that. You start the game, you are greeted by a ghost and then you begin your quest for 1,000 rooms. At first you might think, okay, this game seems cute. And it is. Your first jump scare is a tiny little ghost popping out of the wall, wearing a smile, reminding you that you are still playing a cute horror game. As you make your way through the rooms, you'll start finding notes that were left behind by another trapped person. They don't tell you much, but they add to the flair of the game. Most of the rooms are empty though, and only have little to no decoration. The layout of the rooms can be memorized quickly, as they are the same ones being used all over the game. Only the color pattern changes. Every 50th room is an elevator which brings you deeper into the castle. At the same time, they can be used as save points by activating the altar. So yes, the game can be boring, but honestly, this is not a game meant to be played for a long period. You just dive in, finish maybe 20 to 30 rooms and turn off the game, or maybe just play from checkpoint to checkpoint. Playing like this keeps the game fresh and enjoyable. But there are two more things which should be mentioned. There are enemies in the game too. These enemies are pretty horrifying though, adding a nice little contrast to the game. They are pretty deadly too, so your best advice is not to look back and just run away, as they can stalk you through several rooms. The other thing I wanted to mention is a minigame I found in the game. It's an arcade machine which can actually be used, giving you a nice little opportunity to blow off some steam. In this minigame, you play as Spooky the Ghost, and your goal is to kill as many people as possible before your energy bar runs out. So my conclusion of the game is, it's not a game meant to be played for hours, but only in short bursts. It's quite repetitive, but still pretty fun and enjoyable. And it's free, so why the hell not give it a try? You might be surprised. If you enjoyed this episode or just want to know more about other games, check out these links and subscribe to our channel.